King 10, I'm shot!
On January 17th, 2026, what started as a stolen Corvette investigation quickly exploded into one of San Jose's most dangerous police encounters of the year. Authorities say two suspects launched a multi-city crime spree involving armed robberies, stolen vehicles, and a violent chase that stretched across multiple jurisdictions. But everything changed when one suspect opened fire on responding officers, turning a busy intersection into a life-or-death gun battle. Stay with us as we break down every critical moment and explain how this incident unfolded.
King 10, I'm shot! Let's go. Hospital, let's go. Hospital, let's go. Hey, put him in the car. Shot fired.
Copy, shot fired.
Location.
Go for yourself. Copy, so 3 Hills. We're going to be Notre Dame. Carlisle, Notre Dame as well.
He's running 215 at the patrol car.
2215 with the patrol car.
Patrol car now, he's going to be running, trying to carjack another vehicle. Ceasefire! Hey, line of fire this way! Don't move! Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! Don't fucking move! Copy? Watch out, you're running in front of cover! Hey, get down! Get down! Hold fire! Hold fire! Hold fire! Hey guys, do a well check on these people over there. He's running 215 at the patrol car.
Now the body cam footage begins, and this is where events unfold in real time. Unlike the narrated overview, officers no longer have the luxury of hindsight. They're reacting second by second to an armed suspect who has already exchanged gunfire and is believed to be an immediate threat. You'll hear commands, overlapping radio traffic, and repeated warnings about crossfire, all of which are standard concerns during fast-moving incidents involving multiple officers. Watch how communication, positioning, and split-second decisions shape the outcome. Do you think the officers maintained control under these extreme circumstances?
Where?
Hold for yourself, hold for yourself. Copy code 3 Hills. They're going to be Notre Dame at Carlisle. Notre Dame at Carlisle. He's running 215 at the patrol car. Trying to 215 at the patrol car. Patrol car now is going to be running,
Hey, get out, get out, get out! Stop moving! Get down, get down! Hold, hold! Hold!
Push up that white car.
Copy, push it up! Hold, watch crossfire!
Shift to that car.
Shifting.
Hang on, bars pushing up.
Copy,
Go with them.
copy. Hands, copy. Shift right.
Go with them.
Notre Dame at Carlisle.
Yeah, I see him. He's shooting. Hang on.
Let's go. Buddy. Stop. Hold! Grim! Oh shit. Hey guys!
Copy northbound Notre Dame passing Carlisle.
Northbound, 1182 Notre Dame, but he's still, nope, he's going to float the L Balin. He's going to be trying to 215 another vehicle.
This incident highlights just how rapidly a routine search for a stolen vehicle can escalate into a critical, multi-agency emergency. According to the briefing, officers faced an armed suspect connected to multiple violent crimes, while also trying to protect nearby civilians and fellow officers during an active gunfight. The investigation into every use of force remains subject to independent review, which is an important part of maintaining accountability and public trust. What are your thoughts on the officer's response during this encounter? Share your perspective respectfully in the comments. If you found this breakdown informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more real-life body cam analyses.
San Jose's, you're going to be unit 1196 with them right now. Shots fired, shots fired. Code 3 fill, code 3 fill. He's trying to 250 in the patrol car. He's out of the patrol car now. He's going to be running, he's trying to carjack another vehicle. Oh! Shots fired, shots fired. One of your officers,
Copy, shots fired. Hello.
Watch your crossfire. Watch your crossfire is going to be the Julian off from 87. Start fire med code 3. Units are making contact.